Let's try to understand functions. So in Java, in C Sharp, and other languages, we have a main method or somewhere where you're calling other functions. So in Python, we're gonna have a main, but we're going to define this as a function. So we're gonna use def, and then we're just gonna say main. So from here, we're gonna be calling some other functions. For now, I'm just gonna say, I don't know, something here because we're going to create the functions. So I'm just going to do something very simple. I'm gonna call this name. Let's say first name. Then I'm going to print something. So I'm gonna say Alex. That's it. So that's my function. I'm gonna have another function. I'm gonna say last name. And for this one, I'm just gonna print, I don't know, um, black. That's it. So I could have another function here. Def, I could say country, and then I could have something like print, and I may have something like, I don't know, Canada. So I have three different functions here that are simply printing something. Now from this main method, I want to call those functions. So I can come here and say, okay, I want to call my first name. I want to call my last name. And I want to call my country. So I'm calling all these functions here. So if I run this, I'm going to be missing something. So let's hit the run button. I'm not going to have anything. So let me just clear this. And at the very end, I got to call this main method. So this main from here, I'm going to call it here. Now, this is supposed to run all of my functions here. So I'm going to run this again. And I'm going to have Alex, Black, in Canada. So I'm going to have my three functions here. So notice if I delete the country one, and if I run that again, let me just delete that real quick. I'm going to have only my Alex and the last name as well. So that's basically how you're going to call this from a main method. You could create all the functions that you want here and simply call it from here. So that's a basic example in Python.